Good to have you back for another live stream, and we're going to be talking about cats today. Cats, not the musical, but the cat window beds, which is something quite unique. The gentleman right now filming this, my trusty cameraman, loves cats. He absolutely loves little cats, and he used to have a very cute cat. Anyway, so the video I kind of want to talk today is about this particular product. Now, as long as it's lightweight, it's not a heavy cat window bed. It needs to be lightweight, right? It could be viable. Now, let me just run the numbers. Now, one thing I want to talk about is, if you look here, I did a search on Amazon Australia for, you can sort of see, I typed in cat window bed. Now, I did the search, cat window bed, 4,000 results come up. That's 4,000 bloody results come up. 4,000 people selling under that keyword. That's a heck of a lot of people, right? And that's people from America, Canada, UK, trying to sell their cat bed here in Australia. Now, if I was interested in buying a bed, let me tell you, I want a bed now. I don't want to wait 30 days, 60 days, because shipping during coronavirus is long, right? So there's a little button here that says ships from Australia. I'm going to click that button and look at this. 4,000 results come down to 46 results. 46 results. Nuts up the top here, right? 46 results. It was 4,000 before, now it's 46, right? Shows you 46 people under that main keyword, cat window bed, are actually selling from Australia. So they're stored in Australian warehouses and they're shipping from Australia, which means I can get it tomorrow or the day afterwards. And then my bed, my cat can sit on the window and look out and judge me, right? Whatever cats do. So it's a little tool that you can play around with that basically, I encourage you to play around with this and find out really how many people are truly selling from Australia, because it will surprise you of the potential of so few competitors here in Ausland. So few competitors here in Australia are actually selling, from Australia, from Australian warehouses. Most people are mostly selling from Amazon America, Amazon UK, Amazon Europe, Amazon China, or Amazon Singapore, right? Not many people are storing their products here in the Amazon Australia warehouse. So there's actually a lot of opportunity for you to sell your product in Australia on the Amazon Australia and storing your product at the Amazon warehouse. So yeah, very interesting product. I actually did research on this, so let's have a look back here. So $29, this one's selling for $59, this one's selling for $58, right? This one's selling for $38. You can buy them as low as $3, $3.99 on Alibaba. The MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity, the first order, right? You don't need to buy 10,000 or 20,000 or 50,000. The minimum order is 10 beds. So for roughly $30, you can get started launching your first product up on Amazon. All right. So really, it's such an easy, and this business, you can sort of see here, they've done over 1 million in transactions and 355 transactions. They've been around for 15 years. They've got 93 positive reviews. What are you waiting for? All right. So, still run the numbers and track the product, but essentially, it's such really a no-brainer. Small quantity, cheap price, run the numbers, work out your profit margin. Not many people selling some of these products here in Australia, so still run the numbers and try to improve the product, make it better. Think, what can you bundle this? Can you bundle a little pillow for the little pussycat? Can you bundle something in with the particular product? Think about how you can improve it a little bit and make it different. But apart from that, it's looking quite good. All right. So have a great day. See you Monday evening, 7 p.m. Sydney time, and talk to you all soon. Bye for now. In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to walk you through how to get something started on Amazon. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do if you are wanting to sell on Amazon and you're based in Australia or New Zealand. Now, number one is find small, lightweight, simple products like these, all right? A lot of those products are out there. They exist. They're very small. They're simple. There's no batteries. They're lightweight. Doesn't cost a lot of money to ship and very easy to maneuver, all right? You want to find these products. The second step is to find a good supplier. You can find these products on quite easily from overseas suppliers very cheaply. And the next step is to ship it to Amazon warehouses. There's warehouses based all around Australia. In fact, they're building another one here in Sydney where I'm based. They're actually all around the world, and a lot of them are based in America. Guys, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're a beginner and you've never done this before, I put together an exclusive training. So this training, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. We actually walk you through 10 products that are selling really well right now. These 10 products, I will walk you through what to look for, the next steps that you need to take, and I'm going to assume that you are a beginner, that you've never done any of this sort of stuff before. I'm going to assume all of that, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do next if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, okay? So guys, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to work with you. If you're looking for help, in fact, launching your first product on Amazon, I can even help you list and launch your first product on Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA, all right? So guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years, helping people find products and launch them on sites like Amazon, all right? We've worked with a lot of students, different levels of experience. Some people are 19 years old, some people are even 80 years old. We've helped people even 80 years old launch their product on sites like Amazon. So it doesn't matter about your experience, it doesn't matter whether you've done this before, it doesn't even matter whether or not you've even sold anything before online. Anyone can do this. Around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you on this training. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. It's another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, you know, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
Oh, highly recommend. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rang him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from.
Just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, yeah, you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work and I send him text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me,
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, you just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.